the crimson fading sky, they stood with fire in their eyes. No words, no fear, just hearts of stone. They faced the storm and stood alone. The ground remembers every name that bled and burned to light the flame. Their voices echo in the wind. Don't forget where you begin. This is not the end of time. It's where the fallen still shine. Where warriors fall, we rise with every tear, a battle cry. Through the silence, through the pain, we carry their fire in our veins. Not just for glory, but for truth. We rise because they once stood. In broken armor, hope remains, a silent oath in blood-stained chains. We walk the path